Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, and this is a section from Harborview to Bull Bay. So we are by Shooters Hill now, where they are doing some construction or some work on the road. Not sure what is causing the traffic. So what they're doing here is widening the road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. I see a lot of cars turning around. So I don't think this traffic is because of the construction. Something must have happened up there. Not sure what's going on. So we're gonna check it out. But on the right now, those light poles are new poles that were put in because the road was originally 2 lanes and they had to expand it to 4 lanes for the highway. So they had to move all the light poles that were up against the 2 lane road, and so those poles are new poles that went in. Now we had done a video asking why they put up wood poles, and look, the Caribbean Sea is right there. A hurricane should come, but a lot of persons indicated that these poles are fine, and this is the new trend all over the world to use the wood poles. Actually, it looks like wood. Yes, it's wood. Alright, since we're going nowhere in this traffic, let us go and take a closer look at this light pole. Now we're going to send up a drone to see what is could it be just indiscipline down there? Because there doesn't seem to be an accident or anything. It's just those cars are turning around. I don't know what's going on. But apparently the traffic coming down is like it's a single lane right there, so you have traffic from both sides. See? It's like a single lane. So and then right here now, it's also single lane, and you see cars. Okay, they stop to let him pass. There's not one police officer out here. There's not one person that works on the road directing the traffic. Not one. Now all the traffic that you see here going up, where that yellow bus is, they have to make a U-turn and come back down. And there are no signs that say detour here or turn here. Unbelievable. Of course the taxi people are trying to get through, and it's single lane traffic down there, so the traffic cannot come up. Okay, now a police car is coming. A few police cars are coming. But if you're doing a project like this, you need, and you know the road is going to be diverted to single lane traffic, you need proper signage. You need people out here directing the traffic. You can't be just a free for all. People go where they want, do what they want. This is unbelievable. And the police are not even directing traffic, they are on their way. I shouldn't say that, their lights are flashing. But all the traffic here is being turned around, and there are the police cars. The buses have to turn around. You notice no traffic is coming up. Oh no, those aren't traffic police. That's the SWAT police. Those are special units. They wouldn't be directing traffic. You see the buses are... Everybody's making a U-turn. And there's no traffic coming up because it's single lane traffic. So right there is where the bottleneck is. Now you have cars coming up. Now the traffic is flowing. Apparently it was just traffic that the road was just blocked because of the indiscipline. Because look at that, the traffic is flowing in both directions now. If you're doing a road project like this, and this is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica, you need to have police on the road. You need to have people with signs on the road directing the traffic. We understand that you're working on the road while it's being used, but you have to do it in a better way than this. Now the bus has stopped. Alright, so we're going to continue on our journey because the road is now free. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Here you can see the construction going on.